Hi everyone, just post my reflection video. I thought the lesson plan went all right, which I put that in the thing. I just think for myself, doing it under 7 minutes is kind of tough. I felt like I rushed myself a little bit, but I think I got my point across. Granted, I used my family as students just because I've been extremely busy. But I knew we could do that, which I probably could have used students, but I felt this was the easiest way for me to do this and accomplish the assignment. Um, I think for myself, once I was in a real class setting, if I had, like I said, more time is the main thing. I felt like I rushed some things, but I thought I did exactly what I needed to do. Um, I think once I would get to my own classroom, I would have a little bit more extensive assignments. I felt like how I taught it and the way I taught it, that students could easily um, get the points, get the outcomes that I wanted, get the standards that we had to set, and I think all those could have been easily accomplished with what I would did and didn't do. Um, I was lucky enough to be able to use a PowerPoint that I had, and it showed them the information that we needed, and I think with them the way I explained, they could use that and use it for themselves. Um, Most students would probably ask more questions than mine did, but I think that'd be normal. Hopefully, everyone else's went well. Good luck with everyone else. Can't really wait to watch.